Hey, I'm Adam with Adam's Welding, and in today's video I'll be doing a review of the Miller weld mask. Stay tuned. When you get a Miller weld mask, what you get is you get a carrying bag, this little head wrap thing that I've never used. It just stays in the bag. I use a welding cap turned backwards to cover my head, and I've never had an issue doing it that way. And then you get the Miller weld mask, which all it is a auto-darkening goggle with a plastic face shield, so that way you won't mess up your eyes while you're welding, and it'll keep your face from getting burned. It has a power button on the side, which when you push and hold it turns on. You've got your hold, which is how long it holds after you stop welding before it will lighten back up. It has your sensitivity, which is how bright of a light it has to see for it to darken. And you get your shade. I prefer a shade 9 on this. Also, if you push and hold, it'll flash that little red light, but it will still darken, but the darkest it'll darken is a shade 5. So I believe that's going to be a grind mode that it has. It's got an elastic band that does wear out over time, but you can get replacements. The #1 complaint I've seen about this mask is people claim that it fogs up while they're welding, and I initially did not experience that, but I took out these two little plastic, it's almost like a piece of tape that's inside here, and it turned out that is your anti-fog protectors. So I had to order another set and put those in, and they're a pain to get them in there. But after I put that back in, it stopped fogging up, and I use this daily doing exhaust work, and it's worked out pretty great for me. Before I had this, I used to use a little face shield that came with my Sunco plasma cutter, which you've seen in other videos. But if you're looking for something to weld in confined spaces where you don't have much room to flip down a hood, and you can't really fit one of the larger Miller or Lincoln auto-darkening hoods, this is the way to go. I'm Adam with Adam's Welding, and this has been my review of the Miller weld mask. So until next time, keep on welding, folks. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, and click the little bell icon to be notified of our future videos.